Trucking finished fifth in points here last year from Catlin. That is Logan Moody. And in the 4Q car, the car being driven tonight, that is sponsored by Clanahan Chiropractic. Warrior Design, the driver tonight from Mason City, Brian Lynn behind the wheel of the car number 4. Doing double duties tonight in the Pro Late Model and Modified Division. Car number 47, Logan Moody in the 162. Jose Parga in that 6. Brian Lynn in car number 4. And George Clevenger in the B6. Battle now for the number 2 spot. Parga down on the inside in the 6. Logan Moody up on the outside as they battle for that number 2 spot. Jose Parga takes over the number 2 spot. And now Parga closing in on that number 1 spot. And now Logan Moody battling back on the inside, regains that number 2 spot. Jose Parga up on the outside. They're side by side for that number 2 spot. Moody on the bottom, Parga up on the outside. Up 47, Zach Weibel, 2 laps of racing left to go. The battle for that runner-up spot. Logan Moody now in the 162, moves into the number 2 spot. This time, white flag out. 1 more lap to go. Unofficially, in the 4 spot will be the 4 from Mason City, Brian Lynn. Third is car number 6P. Third, the 160. Second, unofficially, the 162, Logan Moody. And the winner is Zach Weibel in the 47. In the lineup now for race number 1 in the UFP Modified Division and the Weaver and Clark Concrete Diamond Race Car Special from Decatur. That is Corey Swingle. Pro Late Model feature event coming back and running another 20 laps in the UFP. Race number 2 in the UFP Dirt Car Modified Division. 83 of Austin Sharon up on that outside. They're going to set the pace. Yellow light goes out. 8 laps. UFP Dirt Car Modified Heat Racing. Heat race number 1. The front, car number 20. Coming from that 3rd starting spot, and he spins. Jeffrey Lika spinning over in turn 4, and looks like all right, let's watch him now. Corey Swingle going to bring him off of that 4 turn once again. Action once again over this time in turn 2 as Corey Swingle looping around there. The 83, Austin Sharon nowhere to go. 72, Brian Lynn also involved there. Racing action. number 1 in car number 14. 32, Donovan Lodge battling to the inside. Austin Lynn, the 72, in that 3rd spot. Brian Lynn, your leader in the car number 14. 32, Donovan Lodge right behind in car number 32. Two laps of racing left to go. Donovan Lodge battling to the inside. Outside the 14, Brian Lynn. They're side by side. The white flag is out. They're on the final trip around, and what a battle up front. As Donovan Lodge now takes over the number 1 spot. But Brian Lynn battling back. Car 14. Watch him off of that 4 turn for the checkered flag. Lynn to the outside. Wow, Donovan Lodge by the length of the front bumper. Wow, what a battle for the 1st and 2nd spot. 3rd spot is 72 Austin Lynn. 2nd to 14 Brian Lynn. Donovan Lodge picking off the win. All right, he raced number 2.